How to set up role hierarchy in Discord. Want to control who can manage whom and what roles show up on top in your server? Setting up role hierarchy is key to managing permissions and keeping your server organized and secure. Let's dive right in. First things first, open the Discord app or go to discord.com in your browser and log in. Now, open your Discord server. Go to your server where you want to organize roles. Click your server name in the top left corner, then choose server settings and go to roles. Now, you will see all your roles listed from top to bottom. Just click and drag roles to rearrange them. Roles at the top have higher authority than those below. Why it matters? Higher roles can manage lower roles if given permission. Only roles above another role in list can edit or assign it. This also affects how roles appear in the member list. Higher roles show up first. After adjusting, click Save Changes at the bottom to lock in your hierarchy. And that's how you set up a role hierarchy in Discord. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like this video, subscribe, and tap the bell icon so you never miss an update. See you in the next one.